Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make jalapeno popper with ground turkey and bacon. So this is all the ingredients. I already seeded and cut the jalapenos, and I have green onions and sweet peppers and garlic and shredded cheese and Philadelphia cheese. I only need half of this, and soy sauce and chicken powder and ground turkey. The ground turkey, you can use a plain one. That one is already in my freezer. I just want to get rid of it. That's already marinated. I don't know what to do with that. So that's the only one left. So I decided to make a jalapeno popper with it. And also I use turkey bacon because I cannot have pork. So, and I have black pepper. So let's get started. Alright, so let's put some oil there. Just 1 tablespoon. And let's go ahead and add the garlic. It's not heated up yet. That's okay. And now let's add the turkey. Oops. The soy sauce, we'll add the soy sauce. Just lower your heat. So I added 2 tablespoons of water, and now let's add the powder, and let's simmer this like 4 to 5 minutes until the turkey is cooked. Take out the pepper. Now let's continue simmer it until 4 to 5 minutes. So now let's add the sweet peppers. And we'll continue cooking it like 2 minutes. Okay, turn up your heat and set this on the side, and we'll wait until that cools down. Alright, we only need half of this. Like 4 ounces. This is like 8 ounces per pack. Right. There you go. Then we're gonna soften that with a hand mixer until smooth. Should be enough. that, let's check the turkey if this already cooled down. Okay, we'll add this in there. And the cheese. And also green onion. Save some for garnish later. We'll mix them. So this jalapeno, we need to sprinkle some black peppers and salt. And we put also olive oil there. Oops. So let's add a little oil. And mix them well. Oops. It's alive. So now while we're doing this, preheat your oven 400 degrees and then we'll bake this one to 15 minutes. Or it depends how soft you want this, the jalapeno. That means I like a little bit crunchy. So I want to cut this one because it's so wide. Just cut in half. Like that, and so on. And so put all that there, and we'll spread this one right there, arrange them. And then let's start filling them. Just about like 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of each. If you want like extra cheese, you can add more on top. Alright, that one is done, so now we need to start dropping them. Just put this around. There you go, it's done. Let's sprinkle some little black pepper. Alright, here is my jalapeno popper with ground turkey and also wrap around with turkey bacon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie. See ya. God bless.